What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the free ConcertPal extension for Google Chrome to save money and find the cheapest possible ticket for any concert. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the extension is actually installed. If you're not already on the Google Chrome store listing, you can just Google ConcertPal and then click either our website or directly into the Chrome store listing. Once you're there, just click Add to Chrome in the top right to install. Once the extension is installed, you'll see this tutorial video automatically pop up in your browser. I'm going to go ahead and skip over that for now and jump right into an example. So we're going to want to go to any major ticketing website to use ConcertPal, whether that's Vivid Seats, SeatGeek, or Ticketmaster. I'm going to go ahead and do SeatGeek and then just click into any concert. Now that we've selected a concert, I can show you ConcertPal's three main features: price compare, price track, and deals. For price compare, just click any ticket and ConcertPal will automatically check prices across every major ticketing website for that same row and section. For the ticket I've selected here, you can see Vivid Seats has the exact same row and section for $100 less. Just click Secure Your Seat right here and that'll take you directly to this ticket. And remember, ConcertPal always includes hidden fees in its calculations, so if it seems like ConcertPal is recommending a more expensive ticket, that means the site you're on is hiding some fees from you that aren't going to be revealed until you check out. Now let's take a look at ConcertPal's other two features. To access these features, click the green square in the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see there are two tabs, one for each feature: Deals and Tracking. The Deals tab contains a collection of coupon codes and other promotions, which you can access by clicking the green Grab This Deal button to copy the coupon code to your clipboard or to go to the website where the promotion is happening. To access the last feature, Price Tracking, we're going to click the Track tab in the top right and then click the Sign in with Google to start tracking. You can see we aren't tracking any events currently, so to start tracking one, we're going to use this ticket that I've already selected for this Kendrick concert and then just click this toggle in the Price Compare window. Once the toggle's green, you'll know that ticket's being tracked and you can see it and see its price history anytime in the future using the Track tab within the ConcertPal extension. And anytime you want to remove a ticket from the Tracking tab, just click the toggle again and it'll be deleted immediately. And that concludes this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up on YouTube, and if our extension ever saved you money, feel free to give us a 5-star review on the Google Store. Thank you guys for watching.